except you'd have to click on one of these to actually click on something. You can't press down on this to click, just so you know. I'm not sure what that does, but so when I'm doing Photoshop and I want to do like Cert Z to undo something, sometimes that gesture's a little awkward. And also if you're charging this in your computer while it's turned on and also charging your computer, it's a little awkward using this when it's plugged in. It's a lot easier to use it when it's not plugged in, which is something to note. It's not that bad, but it's like, yeah, I probably wouldn't be able to recognize these keys if I was, you know, looking at a screen doing a video game instead of looking at this, which if you were a gamer, you'd probably look at this. And they're not that bad, actually. I might have been a little dramatic in my review, so I might edit that before I publish it, but yeah, it's not bad. It definitely works for me, but it's kind of slow to want to like actually type something in, slower than I'm used to with that, but that might just be a used to sort of thing. I might recommend somebody that's gaming purposes get something that's like more for gaming, more like actual like keypads, because for me this is a little slow, and it's like I have to use my nails to type it pretty much. It's kind of weird using my fingers to type it because I'm afraid I'm going to hit something else, and I have kind of fat fingers, so, but I'm also a girl, so if you're a guy you probably have bigger fingers than I do. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to note it for my purposes. I think it works great. It's a little weird getting used to the pattern of this because obviously it's laid out a little differently than a normal keyboard, but all in all, pretty good.
I just want to make a quick review and say this keyboard is really good quality. Like, it turns on here, there's a switch. Alright, so you got a mouse trackpad here, and it also responds to double tap when you want to choose something on your desktop. The keys are plastic, which is a good thing, and they're clicky, which is a really good thing. You don't get any with rubber keys, because the rubber will wear out. I've had them before, they will wear out. Always get plastic keys. Also, this is very light, which is good. You need it to be very light. It's so light, it's scary, but it's still good quality. It's well built. It charges quick, and it lasts a long time. And the battery, yeah, the battery lasts a long time. So let's say you leave it on and you don't use it, it's gonna go to sleep. Then the next time you click on any key, it's gonna wake up. So it'll save your battery even if you forget to turn it off. But again, you could always turn it off whenever you want. There's a backlight button right here. You can't see it, but the backlight is working. Backlight button's right here. Alright, so this is the Bluetooth pairing button. And yeah, it has everything you need for a little cool portable keyboard. You can use for a laptop, or let's say a Steam Deck or ROG Ally. Any type of handheld console you can use for it that takes Bluetooth and could take keyboard input. So yeah, so definitely this is worth the money. It's amazing. It's such good quality. You won't regret it.
Alright, this is a review for the keyboard. I don't really do reviews, but I wanted to show you guys. Give me a second, I gotta switch hands. How well this thing really does work. Now I have my HDMI connected to the PC, obviously to the TV, to the splitter, just to give you guys an idea. It really does work. Really like it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It is Bluetooth. I could lower it down. Volume up. Perfect standards for what I need. Yep, 10 out of 10. Recommend.
She get
I told her she can get anything for a snack. She got octopus.
broccoli and basil salad. Love that.
I'm gonna get a smoothie.
7-Eleven smoothies.
Yeah, let's do it.
This sounds good. Let me get that.
Green smoothie? Yep, that's a share.
Green smoothie. That.
I'm gonna get a smoothie.
Seven.
Le son était pas fort, là, ou quand tu étais en MCS? Le son de la faute?
C'est pas si pire que ça, c'est-tu?
Ben, je crois oui, qui dit que c'est agressable. Pour trouver ça, c'est comme les autres.
Ouais.
Le Gino trouvait que c'était fort, le son. C'est le son maintenant au MCS qui fait.